Hey guys, welcome back. So I am going to start a new series of my skill on my YouTube channel. So anybody who is interested in joining can join it. If the first year, second year students are especially interested in learning my skill, so I am going to teach them for free on YouTube. So now I am going to show how to install MySQL on Windows PC and laptop. So first of all, you should open web browser on your laptop. Then after that, you should search MySQL. After searching MySQL, the first website you should click on the first website that appears. After that, you should go to downloads. Hmm. After you click on download page, you should scroll down and you should click on the community GPL downloads. Hmm. After that, you will see your many versions of MySQL. Then you should click on MySQL installer for Windows. Guys, MySQL installer for Windows. Then we will click on it. Then after that, it will ask for the version and MSI installer. Then we should download the first one, or you can download the second one also. After clicking on download, we will reach to this page. Then if you have an account, then go to login page, or you can go for sign up. So I will show you for all the users who don't have an account. So I will click on sign up. It will take a time to load. Then you should fill this all the details: email ID, password, country, given name, and on job title you can put NA, and on company name also you should put NA, and then create. After clicking on create, a verification link will be sent to your email ID. For that you should click and verify it, and after verifying you can sign up. So now I will sign in and I will show how the interface looks. So I have already done the account creation and everything. Then I will put down the password. See, I am inside the website. Now I can download the MySQL app. See, save and continue. For first time users it will come. After that it won't come. You can select education, job and the developer, and number of employees you can select one, and enter the captcha. Ricky 8, you and submit the form. After that, you will see a download icon. Just download it. See, I will download it. Yeah. So guys, you can see the download has been started. So after that, you should double click on it and run. Yes. Now you can close the web browser. So our MySQL is being getting installed. Internet connection found. Okay. So the installation is done, and now we should set up it. So hmm, so you should only server, client only, full, and custom. So you can select anyone, but I am going with the only server option because it is basic, and you should download it first because we are going to only practice. We are not going to build any products or anything else. So after that, do next, and you should clearly see. First of all, you should verify the path of directory and installation. It is very important. And then do yes, and then execute. After you do execute, it will take some time. You can see here it is getting progress of 7%, 8%. It After it is done 100%, our app is installed successfully. So we wait till then. After it is completed, we will click on next. Next. Hmm. So it is also completed. Next. Next. Then you should see if you have previously downloaded it, then you will get an error here itself, import number. So I have got the error many times because of the installation procedure. If you have installed it, then you should remember the old password or you will not be able to install it properly. So after this, click on next, next. Hmm. So you can see here my root password. So you should set up a password. So I will set up a password on my name only, Shubham @ 123, and we should repeat it. SHOB. So you can see the password strength is medium, but it is okay as we are deploying our server locally. If it is not a local server, then you should select a strong password. Hmm, hmm. And you should select next. Grant full access. You should click on grant full access. Hmm. And then execute. So guys, after installation, you should install MySQL Workbench. It is compulsory, or you will be not able to open MySQL. It will take some time to install MySQL Workbench. We will wait till then, and after installation, I will get back to you. So guys, we have successfully installed the MySQL Workbench. Then I will show you how to run it, and finally how we can work on MySQL. Oh, sorry, this one. Double click on MySQL Workbench community and then run it. No. After that, you will see a interface like this. Then click on next. Then see the directory and click on next. Hmm. Then complete version and next and install. So it will take some time. Hmm. So, so guys, the installation has been completed successfully. Now we will click on finish and then we will go to the start button and the SQL has been automatically started in background. Hmm. Then there are two instances. Previously, I have installed the MySQL and created two instances. So you can have only one instance. So click on instance and then enter the password. The password is that which have we have um, set on the previous installation. Yes. Now you can see my SQL is completely installed and I have written some previously queries. It's that it's a mini project. We are going to build this one too. So till then, stay tuned and please subscribe the channel for updates. Thank you.